All right, folks, so I'm in the mood for a meatloaf. Tony's out working with someone on a project, but I told him I was going to make a meatloaf tonight, and he said, hey, can you record it? And I said, sure. So I like to use the Highland Family Farms. This is their ground chuck. And then I also add to my meatloaf the stovetop chicken stuffing. For my sauce on top, I use the Lee & Perrins Worcestershire sauce. I cannot say that good. And then with honey and ketchup. So I mix these three together. And a nice diced onion and a green pepper. So I'll dice those up and saute them. And I also prepare a pan. I don't put mine in a loaf. I just form a loaf and put it on a lined pan. So I'll show you everything as it's diced up before it goes in the oven. So I've cooked the stovetop as per the box directions. I've added 1.5 pounds of the Highland Family Farms ground chuck. And then I've already got my sauce getting ready to have it ready. So about 2/3 a cup of ketchup, about 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey, just your favorite honey, and about 2 tablespoons of the Worcestershire sauce. And then I have my onion and peppers all diced up, and I'm going to saute these in some oil and then put them in the meatloaf. I just like them to be already sauteed, and just my preference. So I'll show you in just a bit the meatloaf all mixed together. I'll mix it in this bowl. So be right back with you. So here are the onions and the pepper, the green pepper sauteing. They're almost done. And I'll add them to the meat mixture. Got Hendrix over there. But there's the stovetop and meat mixture already mixed up with the sauce that goes on the top. Some folks may want to add some diced tomatoes or ketchup also, or maybe a little water to your meat mixtures, kind of just to your liking. So, all right, I'll show you it all mixed up in just a second. So this is the meatloaf formed on the pan. So I'm not going to add the sauce just yet. I'll let it cook for about 30 minutes and then I'll add the sauce. So I'll cook this at 375 for, I don't know, about 45 minutes to an hour, but most likely 45. I'll check it at 30 though and add my sauce, but we'll check back in with you on that. So the meatloaf has been cooking for 30 minutes and I just added the sauce to it. I'm going to cook it for about another 15 minutes, 20, and then let it just sit and rest a little bit. So folks, I think that made a pretty decent meatloaf. Of course, I added some mashed potatoes and sweet peas. I bought the potatoes at one of our friends' produce stands up in Spruce Pine a few days ago, and it's actually called the Produce Stand. I wish we had a really great produce stand here in Burke County. That's an idea, but here's the meatloaf. I think it looks great. So, and it seems to be, I always let mine rest a little bit. So nice, easy to cut, looks all juicy. So hope you guys will enjoy that recipe. Hope you enjoyed the video. What is it Tony says? Peace to all who watch. Subscribe to the channel if you like. This is a teriyaki vegetable and noodles kit and sauce that you can get at Walmart in the produce section. And it's a meal kit. It comes with noodles, broccoli florets, broccoli stalk, Brussels sprouts, red cabbage, kale, carrot, pea pods with teriyaki sauce. And this is how it looks. If you just follow the directions, very easy directions. on the back of the bag. Some little cooking directions there. Very simple, and it's done in about, I don't know, 7 to 10 minutes. Looks absolutely delicious. I encourage you to go buy it. Peace to all who watch. Subscribe to Tony's channel if you like.